Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey to explore the irresistible world of Mexican tacos. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the secrets behind these mouth-watering delights, and let's dive right in. To truly understand Mexican tacos, we must first delve into their rich history. Tacos have been a staple of Mexican cuisine for centuries, but did you know that their origins can be traced back to the indigenous peoples of Mesoamerica? The Aztecs and Mayans were among the early creators of tortillas, the foundation of tacos. They would fill them with various ingredients like beans, vegetables, and even insects. This tradition has been passed down through generations, evolving into the diverse taco culture we know today. Now, let's explore the incredible variety of Mexican tacos. From street food stands to high-end restaurants, you can find an endless array of flavors and fillings. There's the classic carne asada, featuring juicy grilled steak, onions, and cilantro. If you're feeling adventurous, try the crispy and flavorful carnitas, slow-cooked pork that melts in your mouth. And let's not forget about the spicy and savory al pastor, influenced by Middle Eastern shawarma. One of the secrets to an unforgettable taco lies in the toppings. They add the perfect balance of flavors and textures. Traditional toppings include chopped onions, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. But did you know that Mexicans also enjoy adding spicy salsas, tangy pickled onions, and creamy guacamole? These toppings elevate the taco experience to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about taco etiquette. When enjoying Mexican tacos, there are a few unwritten rules to keep in mind. First, always eat your tacos with your hands. That's right, no utensils allowed. Embrace the messiness and savor every bite. Second, don't overload your taco. It's important to maintain the perfect balance of flavors and fillings. And lastly, never forget to show your appreciation to the taquero or taco chef. Mexico's diverse regions offer unique taco specialties that reflect their local flavors and traditions. In the Yucatan Peninsula, you'll find cochinita pibil, a succulent dish of slow-roasted pork marinated in achiote paste. Travel to Baja California, and you'll be greeted with exquisite seafood tacos, such as the famous fish tacos. And let's not forget about the mouth-watering barbacoa tacos, slow-cooked meat traditionally prepared in underground pits. And there you have it, my fellow food enthusiasts. Mexican tacos are a true culinary treasure, combining history, flavors, and the vibrant spirit of Mexico. Whether you prefer traditional or modern interpretations, there's a taco out there for everyone to enjoy.